Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's been a long holiday weekend. We come back to much higher soybean meal, soybean oil prices. Also, corn and wheat are higher. Some people link this to the fact that over the weekend, Argentina saw too much rain in the north and not enough in the south. And the forecast calls for maybe drier weather in the southern part of Argentina. Now, Brazil looks like they're having mostly favorable conditions, but I think some of the spec shorts in the market that was looking for possibly a higher carryout and maybe lower prices are beginning to cover some of those shorts. On Friday, the funds bought beans, meal, corn, and wheat, sold a little bit of oil. But open interest went up 13,000 in the beans, 21,000 in the corn, and 7,000 in Chicago wheat. At our conference, it was interesting in that one speaker on the grain said that the numbers are negative, but he's concerned about weather this summer, both in the U.S. and also eastern Russia. David Hightower talked about how eventually you could see a lower dollar and maybe some weakness in the stock market, but higher energy prices. And overnight the dollar is lower and crude oil is higher. We did have one speaker from Washington that talked a lot about previous presidents and the challenges ahead for the new administration. So we'll see how everything unfolds after he's inaugurated and what his priorities are. This week, some of the market was disappointed in some of his quote-unquote tweets, and that he should focus on tax reform and infrastructure and try to get people jobs versus some of the other issues that he keeps bringing up on the side. So we've got beans, meal, oil, corn, and wheat higher, and we'll just see how high we want to push this because of South American weather. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.